Welcome everyone. Welcome to Python Media. So hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to see what are the comments and docstrings in Python. From today onwards, I have introduced a new section or a new page that is challenge. Basically, we will ask some questions in this challenge page. You can comment the answer below, and in the next upcoming session I will discuss the answer. Okay, so let's see what is the comments or what are the docstrings in Python. Comments are basically the part which the interpreter will not execute. I can see, suppose you are working in a very big company and we are doing one project and it will be divided into the multiple parts. So each part will be doing by each team. Okay, so at the end we will be summing up all these parts and we will make into a big project and we will submit that. So while doing that, each block represent different functions or different process. The people who are working on it should understand, or in the later if someone is going to sum up all those things, he or she should understand what each part means, right? So we cannot always go back and ask them what is this, what is that, like that. So there comes the importance of comments. Okay, so there are various ways in Python to give the comments. Comments are written to make the users understand the logic in future. The comments are always preceded by the hash symbol. This is one way. Okay, we can put a hash before our comment. Also, we can put the comment in the double quotes or triple quotes. Everything the Python will read as the comment only. Okay, so there are full line comments and inline comments also. Full line comment is something, it takes the complete line, but the inline shares the lines within a statement or expression. Okay, so I will show you the example. So for this I am using PyCharm. Okay, so here I took a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and I have made a sum, c is equal to a plus b. So this is basically a program to add two numbers. Okay, I know this. So I'm giving us a comment, program to add two numbers. Okay, so this line my interpreter will not execute. Also I can give the comments in double or triple quotes. So it's the program to add two numbers. So let me run this. Yes, I'm getting output as 5. They are not reading either first line or second line. So these are the comments. Now let's see what are docstrings in Python. Docstring is the first statement after declaration of a module, class, methods and functions. Okay. So basically in the module we have the functions and classes, right? So basically the first line in the triple quotes, that is called as the docstring. It is considered as the convenient way of associating the documentation of the modules and functions. The docstrings we will consider as the more logical and useful version of the comments. Okay, so we can access the docstring using the syntax object dot double underscore doc double underscore. Let me show one example. Suppose I am defining a function. Define Python. A function definition will start with the def keyword. So, yeah, triple quotes I'm using here. Okay. Welcome to Python Media. None. Okay. So, print Python dot double underscore doc. Let me see what is the output. Yes, it is showing what I have written in the triple quote. Welcome to Python Media. So that is docstring in Python. So let's see what is the challenge. Okay. How to comment multiple lines in Python other than the method of quotes or by putting hash in the each line in the tools like PyCharm. There is a shortcut for that. In the tools like PyCharm, if I want to give the multiple comments in the Python PyCharm. So you can comment your answer in below section. So let's see in the upcoming session. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and for the further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.